Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. The first one, when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use a gesture on your earbuds. Right here at the back side we have a circles at the top, and this actually a touch area, so you just tap on it and with it you can play or pause the song, you can increase volume or lower the volume, you can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant, you can also swap between ambient sound controls, and what the best one, you can also make it using this button at your charging case, and you can customize it in the application, so I recommend it to install it. Right here we have controls and you can select something and change it. And also you need to add these features to the charging case. You just tap on it and select something of the list. And I recommend it to test it, it's really good one. Next one, these earbuds have ANC, so you can enable it in the application, you can set it here, you can or use adaptive mode and your ANC level will change. It depends of your background, or you can just set it to high, mid or low. Also, when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds, you just enable transparency mode and you can speak with someone. Also, next one, these earbuds have spatial audio, and I recommend that you just tap in the application and fix it and use it. I recommend it to test it, it's a good one. Next, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets, and you can change it in the application, and you just select the best one for you, let's say rock, and listen it. Also, I recommend it to use this mod, Dirac Opteo, and it digitally enhanced the sound of your earbuds. So, or you can also create a custom preset, it's up to you, and you can make something good for you. Next one, also you can enable or disable bass. So if you like it, you just enable this mod. Right here we have ultra bass, and we have 5 sections right here, so if you need the stronger bass, you just select the 4th or 5th section here, or you can lower it also, or you can disable if you don't need bass, just disable this mod. Next one, these earbuds support LDAC. It's a high resolution audio codec, but the first one, it's not available on Apple devices, so it's not available on this iPhone. And the second one, your Android phone should support this codec also, and you can check it in the developer option or in the internet. If your phone do not support it, it makes no sense to use LDAC. It change nothing for you. Next one, if you play games, you can enable game mode. Right here we have low lag mode. This is actually a game mode. Just enable it and play games with it. And these earbuds also have dual connection, so you need to enable it in the application, and then you can connect 2 devices to your earbuds simultaneously. The last one, if you have some problem with your earbuds, you can perform easily a factory reset. You just open the charging case, put your earbuds to the charging case, and right here we have connectional button. You press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 3 times. And then you need to remove your earbuds from your phone and then add it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!